Dear learners, welcome to online class presented by Probish Sarkar, Assistant Teacher, Rangpur Kalibati Secondary School, Doguria Khulla. Dear learners, at first I want to say, take care yourself and be care always about COVID-19 coronavirus and use mask in case of going out from home. So dear learners, today's topic, transformation of sentences, which we called interchange of sentences. Last class we discussed about how to transfer any affirmative sentence into negative, some rules. Today we will learn more rules by following which we can change affirmative sentence into negative. Dear learners, at first I will give an example. Everybody wants to be happy. If any affirmative sentence with every or all, we can transfer these types of sentences into negative by following these rules. Instead of every, we have to take there is no. There is no. If you are requested or told to transfer this sentence into negative, the answer will come here. Answer instead of every, there is no should be taken. There is no. There is no. Then the subject with every or all, body, after subject we have to take but. There is nobody but the rest of the sentence. Wants to be happy. Very clear. So, remind it, instead of every, you have to take there is no, then the subject, and after taken subject you have to take but, then rest of the sentences. Another example, all players played well. Dear learners, if you are told to transfer this sentence into negative, the answer will come all. Instead of all, we have to take there is no. There is no. Then the subject with all or every, players. But played well. Okay. If you are told any affirmative sentence with every or all, you have to take instead of every there is no, then the subject, after taken subject, then you have to take but, and after using but you have to take the rest of the part of the sentence. Clear? Now we are going to learn another rule. No sooner as soon as we the station it the train started to run. Dear learners, if you are told to transfer this sentence into negative, transfer this sentence into negative. Instead of as soon as, you should take no sooner had, no sooner had. Then the rest of the part of the first clauses we reach the station then at the point of comma you have to take then and the rest clause. Then the train started to run. Dear learners, it is a very simple method. Another example, we can follow another example by using these rules. We can change any affirmative sentence into negative. Now we are going to learn the more rules. How can we transfer any affirmative sentence negative? Some superlative degrees can be interchanged into positive degrees. We can change. We can transfer the affirmative into negative. Rahul is the best boy in the class. Transfer this affirmative sentence into negative. Here, answer will come no other boy in the class. Boy in the class. No other boy in the class, then the verb is as. After as, you have to take the positive degree of superlative. Good as the subject, Rahul. So dear learners, by interchange any superlative degree into positive, some superlative degree into positive, we can transfer affirmative into negative. Already this positive degree is in negative form. So by following this rule, we can transfer affirmative sentences into negative. Dear learners, now we are going to learn another rule by following, which we can transfer affirmative degree into affirmative sentence into negative. Such as she is a pious girl. Dear learners, if you were to transfer this affirmative sentence into negative, you can transfer this sentence into negative by following this rule. She is not. You have to take with auxiliaries. You have to take not, because we are transferring this sentence. We are transferring this sentence into negative. So not should be taken after verb. She is not an impious girl. The antonym should be taken. The keywords. Here keyword is impious, pious. So the antonym of the word pious is impious. Here, because if you are transfer affirmative sentence into negative, meaning should be keep in positive sense. By following some other rules, we can transfer affirmative into negative. Here, he was always punctual. Transfer this affirmative sentence into negative. The answer will come here. He was never. Instead of always, you have to take never. Then the antonym of the keyword should be taken. Punctual, late. Because here antonym of the word keyword punctual is late. He was never late. Clear? Dear learners. Now we are going to learn affirmative sentence with to. How can we transfer this sentence and this type of sentence into negative? The boy was too little to carry the load. Transfer this sentence into negative. By following this, we can transfer this sentence into negative. The boy was, instead of to, we have to take so. The boy was so little. Instead of to, we have to take that. Then the subject will come here. Instead of noun, we can pronoun should be taken he. The boy was so little that he cannot or could not should be taken according to the tense of the verb. Here verb is in past form, so could not should be taken and the rest part of the sentence. Carry the load. The boy was so little that he could not carry the load. Here another example in present tense. Rana is too weak to fall. Negative. The answer will come. Rana is so weak that subject Rana, instead of noun, pronoun should be taken he. So weak that he cannot or could not should be taken according to the tense of the verb. Is have present form, so cannot or. The learners, clear, very good idea. By following these rules, we can transfer affirmative sentence into negative.